everyone, April here from Piano Lessons Info. Just letting you know that coming up in the next little while is a scales challenge. So this will be for everyone who wants to get better at scales. And there are a few good reasons to go along with, to take part in this challenge. And one of them is just for your fingers to get better, but also scales, learning the scale will not also help you with your hand coordination and your physical movement. But my real main purpose for running this challenge is to help you all learn key signatures and the notes from a scale, because that will help with learning chords and chord formulas and improvising and all that kind of thing that goes along with it. So that's what's coming up starting very soon, and I'll see you there. Okay, bye.